Hello guys, my name is Callista and today I'm gonna be making Pocky.
And why are we making Pocky today?
Because today is
Where
Anime North.
Where should we be? Yeah, but why aren't we there?
Because of coronavirus.
All right.
For this you will need flour, sugar, salt, butter, milk, chocolate, chips, or other toppings. You'll also need a food processor, a bowl, a saran wrap, parchment paper, and a baking pan, and an adult to help you with the food processor and the oven. First step, you'll need to do 4 cups of tablespoon, 4.5 cups.
No. How much? What's the first thing you need?
1/4
One?
cup of flour.
1 and 1/4. So 1 and 1/4
1 and 1/4 of flour.
cups of flour.
Cups of flour.
Okay. And we're gonna put it where?
In the food processor.
All right. So move it over so you can use it.
I don't know if this is too much or
Oh,
not.
that's perfect. Just make it even. Okay. So that's 1/4.
Is it allowed to go in there?
Yeah. Then you need 1. So get your 1. And then get your 1.
The other one. And 1 cup.
Okay.
And then 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Yeah.
1
That's
tablespoon.
of sugar. Make it full. Make it full. Dig it right in. Make it nice and full.
Like this?
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay. And just a pinch of
Just
salt.
a pinch of salt. I can barely reach my fingers in there. What's wrong with you, salt? There. Salt's mean. Salt's mean. And then we're gonna mix it up.
So we put the lid on first.
Put it on first, and then we mix.
Hit that button a couple times.
Add 4 tablespoons of butter. Where's the
Alright.
tablespoons?
I've already measured it for you.
This is all tablespoons.
That's 4 tablespoons.
I'm just gonna use this.
Just to help you scoop it.
Get in there. And then we put the lid on.
Do it a
And
few
then
more
start
times.
it again.
Yeah.
Then we take take the lid off.
3 tablespoons of milk, which we've also pre-measured.
Yes, much. And then I'm going to try to dump it into there.
Okay.
The blade came out.
Yeah.
I'm not going to explain.
No, I will do that. That's what I'm here for. All right, so make sure you mix that together with your clean hands we washed.
Now we wrap dough in saran wrap. And put it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
All right, we'll be right back.
Welcome back, guys. It's been 30 minutes. So the next step is to preheat oven to
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, and then what?
Roll out the dough
Two
to
5 millimeters thick.
millimeters thick.
So start rolling out your dough.
First we coat into.
Okay, so what did we do? So we
cut off excess.
So we made it a rectangle, right?
Yep. And then we cut into the thin pieces, which we are going to do right now.
And we're using a sharp knife, so Mommy's helping.
Yeah, because I'm not allowed to touch those. They're all a thin line.
They're not completely even, but
Then roll into sticks.
we're gonna try and make them sticks.
How do I roll?
And you take one and you roll it into a stick. See if you can do that. I can't do it with one hand. Just like Play-Doh. Make it a snake.
It's not working. It's broken. That could be a long enough stick. Yeah, it's not going to work for rolling it.
No?
That's why I'm doing this, and then I'm going to try to roll
Well, if it won't roll, we'll just put it on the baking sheet.
Oh, now it's working.
There you go. See, you just needed to use 2 hands.
No, it's because I need to pinch it first.
All right. You gotta do that.
Onto here.
I think it'd be better if you put it this way. It'll fit more.
I don't think we're going to do all of them.
Well, try 'em. Let's go. Keep going as fast as you can.
So we have cutted them and rolled them into here. So don't cut them too thin or it will not work properly. And we have also learned 2 other things. That you can use extra pieces in case you want a little bit more. You can use the extra pieces, roll them up into a kind of snake. And you can also put these, if it's a little bit too hard, try pushing it into a ball and then rolling it out again.
What happens if it falls apart while you're trying to roll it out?
Use the extra pieces as tape.
You just stick them together, right?
Yeah.
All right.
You can use the extra pieces as tape.
And we have one more step to do right now.
Coat it with
No,
melted
before
chocolate.
that.
Put in oven for 15 minutes.
Yep. All right, so we're going to do that and we'll be right back.
Baking, so all we have to do is gently pour the melted chocolate onto these sticks, just like we did with these 2.
And we only cooked ours for 12 minutes, so keep an eye on yours. The time will vary with different ovens.
Ours almost got burnt.
And if we had left them in for the full 15 minutes, they would have been. And you can put any toppings you want on your Pocky sticks. So you can put chocolate, or you can put some crushed up fruit, or freeze-dried fruit, or yogurts, or matcha. Anything that you want on your cookie, on your Pockies.
Chocolate.
Yeah, we chose chocolate. And you need somewhere for them to dry. Do your best to use what you have in your house. We just poked a bunch of holes in a Solo cup and are hoping for the best. Hopefully this works. And be careful because they are softer than normal Pocky because these are cookie sticks and not pretzels. Okay, so we're going to cover the rest of them.
Because the other ones they use pretzels.
Yep. Hey, Callista, we're going to cover the rest of them off video. So.
Bye.